Dear aspirants, welcome to DocTutorials Quick Learning Bytes. Today's Biochemistry Learning Byte is the properties of the genetic code. Now, the genetic code is first of all a triplet code, meaning 3 nucleotides will code for one codon, giving us a sum total of 64 unique codons because we have the 4 different types of nucleotides. The genetic code shows degeneracy. Multiple codons can code for the same amino acid, but the genetic code is unambiguous. Each codon gets translated to the same amino acid every time. Also, the genetic code is commaless or non-punctuated, means we do not have a nucleotide which is not a part of the codon. Each nucleotide is a part of the codon. At the same time, the genetic code is non-overlapping. One nucleotide is part of only one codon. We cannot share nucleotides among the codons. Lastly, the genetic code is universal, meaning in all life forms on planet Earth, the translation of the codon will give you the same amino acid.